Hello everyone and welcome to the channel of PinkCoffeelove. On this video today I'm going to show you how to create an account on DeviantArt. So you click on the top www.deviantart.com and you don't have an account yet, so you can log in. So you click in join. So you have two ways you can create an account. You can type your email, put a password, and then continue. Or, like I show you on the other video on how to create a coffee account, it's the same. You can log in with the Apple account, Facebook, or Google. So I'm gonna create an account using my Google account. Click here. Confirm, pick username, okay, meu, está indo para trás. Okay. Then after you complete all the steps, you click join. Then what do you want to do on DeviantArt? Discover art, improve my skills, buy art, promote myself, sell my art, sell art, or something else. I don't know yet. So yeah. No. I have to specify what I wanted to do. So discover, yeah. Save, standard. Continue. Nice. Pick at least 3 topics you like. Anime. Nice. Original characters. Digital art. Roleplay. Não dá. Vou clicar. Go down. Cosplay is fun. Yeah, that's enough, I think. 3 topics. Did I pick 3 topics? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4. With more than 3. There we go. This is my account. PinkCoffeelove. This is my page on the DeviantArt. And yes, here daily deviations, you can see other artists that post here on DeviantArt. You can explore, and don't forget you have to confirm your email. So let's see if they send anything. No, wait. I log in, never mind. I log in already with the email, so it's already confirmed. But when you type it the other way around, they will send you an email and then you have to confirm your email. So that's all for today. Don't forget to leave a like. Love you. Bye.